back with another tutorial, and this time it's going to be on how to put eyelashes on. So if you want to keep on watching, stay tuned. My friends always ask me, like, how do I do it? What's a simple way? All that, etc. So today, what you need is a pair of eyelashes, one that you prefer. I like natural or dramatic, it doesn't matter. Some lash glue, whatever you have in hand, eyeliner, and mascara, well, whatever you prefer, and a mirror. So the first thing you do is you want to take your eyelashes and you want to make sure that they fit your eye properly, because you know some lashes are bigger than others and our eyes are totally different than one another, so you have to make sure that they fit. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your eyelash. I'm using High Curve by Kiss. And you just want to make sure that it fits your eye. So I'm going to take my little mirror and I'm going to make sure that it fits. See, like that. I already know that it fits because I've had these on, of course. But you always want to cut from the outer part of the lash if it's too big, so that your eye can be more open and wide. So I already know that they fit, right? Okay, cool. Then next, you're gonna take your eyelash and you're gonna put a little bit of glue on the lash line. You don't need pounds of glue just so it can stay on. No, just a little bit will do, and just keep brushing it or squeezing the glue out, because I know there's products, glue products that are in squeezy tubes. I used to have that one, but I find that the brush is more easier and less messy. And you're just gonna let that dry, and while this would be drying, I would be putting my lash glue on this eyelash, and that would be drying. So that's that. And then to make it go faster, you're supposed to wait 30 seconds to make it tacky. So to make the drying process go faster, because nobody wants to wait 30 seconds, I'm sorry, I don't. So you can either wave it or you can blow it. And once you see that the glue starts to get like kind of clear, that's when you know it's tacky and ready to be put on your eye. I was going to use my mirror, but for this I want you guys to see how I do it, and the mirror would be right in my face, so that would be kind of pointless. So what I do, I start and I put it in the middle of my eye, like I adhere it to the middle, and then I do the inner and outer corners. I just find that easier. All right. And mind you, the corners are not adhered. So that's when I go and I bring it down to my lash line. And then I do this side as well. And after that, that's on, you see. I like to clump my lashes with the false lashes. Like a sandwich, basically. And there we go. But you can also, instead of your fingers, you can also use tweezers or eyelash applicator. I use my tweezers, but right now I don't have them around. I never have anything around. I'm sorry. But yeah, and then you can just squeeze it with your tweezers. You just have to be careful because tweezers are very sharp and you don't want to stab your eye. So yeah, that's that. Then the next step is mascara. It's your preference, but I use mascara because it makes the eyelashes undetectable, because when you put eyelashes, it makes your own eyelashes blend with your fake eyelashes. So yeah. So I just come on with them like they're my own, and that's it really. So this is another step that you could do, is I take my eyeliner and I tightline the top part of my eye to make them blend even more better. So if you have any white gaps or clear gaps, you can't notice them. See? And I don't know why my eyes have been watering. They just have been watering today and it's getting on my nerves. So that's that. And then you just let them dry. I hope this tutorial helped anybody, and don't get discouraged whenever it comes off or it's just not working with you, because I still have those days where my eyelashes don't want to cooperate. So I hope you guys learned something from this and enjoyed it as much as I love making videos for you guys. Even though it's been like only 3, I really love this and this is my passion, and I just want to give you guys more content. And like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends or whoever you want to share it with, because you never know, this might help somebody. But you guys have a blessed day. I'll see y'all in my next tutorial. Bye.